Fawn over, meaning to give someone too much praise or attention to please them. She kept fawning over her boss during the meeting. Stop fawning over your teacher, it's too much. Gloss over, meaning to try to hide or ignore something unpleasant. Don't gloss over your mistakes, learn from them. The report glossed over the main problem. Scout out, meaning to look for something by exploring or checking an area carefully. Let's scout out a good restaurant for dinner tonight. I scouted out a quiet spot to study. Hem in, meaning to restrict, trap, or confine someone, to limit someone's movement or freedom. I felt hemmed in by too many responsibilities. We were hemmed in by traffic on all sides. Iron out, meaning to solve or fix small problems or difficulties. Let's iron out the issues before the meeting. They ironed out their differences and became friends again. Gun for, meaning to try very hard to get or achieve something, often in a determined or aggressive way. He's gunning for the manager position. She's gunning for first place. Rope in, meaning to persuade someone to join or help. She roped her brother in for the project. They roped me in to help with the event. Run by, meaning to tell someone an idea to get their opinion. Can I run something by you? Run your plan by the manager first. Leaf through, meaning to quickly look through a book or magazine without reading fully. I leafed through a magazine while waiting. She leafed through her notes before the test. Measure up, meaning to be good enough or meet expectations. This restaurant really measures up to its reviews. The movie didn't measure up to my expectations. Rake over, meaning to keep bringing up unpleasant past events. Stop raking over the past, it's over now. She raked over the argument again during lunch. Sail through. Meaning, to do something easily or successfully. She sailed through the exam. I sailed through the interview and got the job. Shake off. Meaning, to get rid of something unpleasant, illness, feeling, habit. He shook off the flu in 2 days. I can't shake off this sad feeling. Skim over. Meaning, to read something quickly without attention to detail. I skimmed over the article before leaving. Don't skim over the instructions, read them carefully. Stick up for. Meaning, to defend or support someone. She always sticks up for her friends. Stick up for yourself, don't stay silent. Wade into. Meaning, to get involved in something difficult or unpleasant. He waded into the argument without thinking. She waded into the messy situation to help. Flare up. Meaning, to suddenly get worse or become intense, especially violence, anger, pain, or a health issue. Their old argument flared up during dinner. My back pain flared up again last night. My allergies flared up this morning. My allergies flared up this morning.